friends, Running Kimono here. So we have 75% off of fabric softener by Downy, and Tide also at 75% off. Now this is at the Home Depot. Unfortunately, you can't look this up in the app, nor can you just figure it out, at home and then drive to the store. You actually have to drive to the store and look around. And for some of you, this might be the greatest thing, because I honestly didn't think I'd find anything at noon on a Thursday after this was all released on Wednesday night. But guys, I actually found that entire cart of Downy fabric softener, so that was pretty exciting. And I didn't clear the store. I only grabbed 6, but I really wanted all of them, but I left a bunch back. Big shout out and thank you to Brody Saves over on Instagram. She always has the greatest little deals like this. She's often at Home Depot and Lowe's looking for everything. Brenda is a friend of the channel, very nice lady from Texas, and I always like it when she has the very cheap Tide. So we're going to look at that, but thank you, Brenda, for this awesome deal. So she was finding specifically a lot of Tide, and I'll talk about that in a quick second, but what I found a lot at my store were these Downy in the scent April Fresh, originally $16.47, and they're on clearance for $4.22. Look for them in the clearance section. Look for them in the regular aisle with all of the detergent and cleaning. And the bottle is very, very unique, because even though you might find a bottle that looks identical or might have the same UPC, it's in the writing on the bottle. And this is where, if you're a fantastic penny shopper, you'll be able to pick this up immediately. If you really struggle with the details, this might be harder for you. So if you look at the bottle that was ringing up for $4.22, it's 4.86 liters, or if you go by fluid ounces, 164. Now, I'm not going to provide a UPC, as there's no way to look it up, and basically it's what's written on the bottle in the ounces. That's what specifically you're looking for. UPCs will do you no good, so hopefully you can follow my drift. Now, there was also this scent that was also supposed to be on clearance, and it's a very identical bottle. It had that 7-in-1 at the top, however, 190 loads. If you look at this, it says 4.16 liters, or 140 fluid ounces. So they obviously concentrated this, or they shrinkflated it, or who knows what they did. It's a smaller bottle, obviously, but this is ringing up for the full $14 or whatever it is. And I asked a cashier in the lighting section to do pricing for me, and that's what she told me. So I had a bottle that I thought, oh, maybe possibly it was full price. So the devil is in the details. Here's another one. It's the 4+ month, and this is the one that Brenda was finding, and hers was 4.31 liters, or 146 ounces, and she was getting them for $5.72. which is a fantastic price point. And I think this one was just under 20. It was full price. And, they say look high, look low, look on the top shelves. There was nothing for me. So I scored those Downies. I was very happy about it. But unfortunately, no Tide for me. With the Lowe's or Home Depot clearance hunting, and we're at Home Depot for this one, often they recommend to look on the sky shelf. So you see where the stuff is on the regular shelf, you look extra high. And if you would see, Tide, that's, 4.31 liters, ask for some assistance and ask for a price check. And be very nice, and hopefully it'll go your way. But unfortunately, there was nothing for me. And I wasn't going to pay this either out of pocket, because I got 6 of them. So that's about $25. So what I did was I just used an IBOTTA Home Depot gift card, and it covered that. Some of the deals I've been doing lately, I had a couple dollars in my IBOTTA account. So that's what I did. And everything rang up at the self-checkout for $4.22. So that was really fantastic. So I would definitely, if you have a chance to swing by the store, do it, because you would be shocked if you can track this down. And again, you really have to pay attention to the liters or the fluid ounces. And if you can line this up perfectly, I think there's nothing more magical than Downy for $4.22 or Tide for $5.72. absolutely fantastic. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Make this happen. Bye.